Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. Jamaica Scorpions captain Brandon King will miss the final West Indies Championship 4-day match this season against Trinidad and Tobago Red Force starting on Wednesday at Sabina Park. King will miss the match due to an injury he picked up in the previous round against the Guyana Harpy Eagles. 31-year-old all-rounder Pete Salmon will lead the team in King's absence. Stephen Wedderburn, who represented the West Indies under-19s at the World Cup in South Africa earlier this year, along with Jamaica Defence Force pacer Andre Dennis, are the first-time inclusions in the 13-man squad. Javor Royal, who was left out of the previous squad, makes a return to the 13 that sees the omissions of pacers Markina Minley and Derval Green. Former West Indies youth representative Daniel Beckford has been added as wicket-keeping cover for Romain Morris, who sustained a leg injury against the Harpy Eagles. The rest of the squad reads Kurt McKenzie, Javon Buchanan, Carlos Brown, Abhijay Mansingh, Ramal Lewis and Ojay Shields. The Scorpions begin the round in 6th place on 58 points, while TNT Red Force are 5th on 72.6 points. Now, every athlete who makes Jamaica's Paris Olympic team will receive funds from the government towards preparation, according to Sports Minister Olivia Grange. Grange, who was the keynote speaker at the launch of the inaugural Jamaica Athletics Invitational Meet last week, announced that the government has earmarked $50 million for athletes who qualify for the Paris Games this summer.
And in addition to that, we will be, for 18 weeks, prior to the Olympics, we will provide funding to our athletes who are qualified for the Olympics to help them in their training and development for participation in the Olympics. And we're still not happy that that is enough. So we will be providing approximately $60 million as incentives for every single member of the contingent that goes to the Olympics.
Finally, football. The return leg quarterfinal matches in the UEFA Champions League will get going this afternoon with 2 matches. Many-time champions Barcelona will host Paris Saint-Germain PSG. The Spanish Giants take a 3-2 lead on aggregate into the return fixture against the French powerhouse. In the other match this afternoon, German outfit Borussia Dortmund, trailing 2-1 on aggregate, will welcome Spanish team Atletico Madrid. Both matches kick off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, Arsenal travel to Bayern Munich, while Manchester City will host Real Madrid in the other return leg quarterfinal matches. And that is it for your midday sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.